Look at these kitties.
The cheating female wisely hides as her
Come over to our house.
No, we're gonna go to their house. Look at these cats.
Wait, how about is just a bike riding there?
I can ask. Can you take a bike?
Yeah, ask Bob.
loved rival dog, the Prairie Dog Sheep Group, with an enthusiastic display called a jump gift. The jump gift shows the colony is alert
You're so
and on
silly.
guard. It also reinforces
You made your own
this
indoor slide.
ensuring everyone is on the same wavelength. Even spy prairie dogs
Careful.
know.
Oh, meow meow.
No, video me.
Oh, careful. Ah, she said they want to do movie night. If you want to bring your sleeping bag.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
You want to bring that one
Wait.
or your green one? Yeah, bring your shark. That's good.
Two persons can fit in there.
2 people?
Back on the
Yeah,
African
but
savannah,
one
the
doesn't get
newborn
enough.
elephant is on the move. He now needs the protection of his family
You're
more
so
than ever.
silly. All right. Goodbye. Goodbye, kitty.
Did you say sleepover?
The spy creature.
We're just gonna do a movie night. We're not gonna sleep over, but. All right. Oh my goodness.
As they travel, the mother uses the tail to make sure
Oh,
the
careful!
baby is always in touching distance.
Be careful, bud.
For danger can come from the most unexpected
You didn't get
places.
enough movement that time.
And wild dogs
I can't move. I got Kitty stuck in my lap.
where they have their own
Mom,
pups to protect.
Mom, video me.
The elephants, on the other hand, could easily destroy the den and crush
Right.
the pups.
No, keep
We
videoing.
need to get ready to
The
go.
dogs advance to
Video me. Help me on.
Oh my goodness. Okay, that's enough.
No, keep videoing me.
One more time. We gotta get ready to go.
No.
Yeah. You wanna go over
Wild
there or not?
dogs are effective killers, able to take down a newborn
Oh
elephant.
my goodness. Okay, that's enough. We need to stop before you get hurt.
The safety of their pups.
No, please.
Predators are rounded up.
Last time.
The elephants are equally concerned
Get it
for
over
their
it.
health.
Mom, keep videoing me.
Okay.
They shepherd him behind
One more
a
time.
protective
Tipping
wall
it
of
over.
fence. The dogs form their own barrier between the elephants and the den.
Keep videoing me.
It's a
Keep
sure
videoing me.
I am.
Oh.
matriarch.
It's not
leads the
working this
charge.
time. The box is probably gonna rip.
Keep videoing me. Keep videoing me.
She's the most experienced member of the
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's enough.
No.
Yeah. Bye bye.